Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nory. If you want to see how I installed and styled this Pixie cut, then just keep on watching.
When I see you, I go nuts. Please, baby girl, let me touch on them cocoa nuts.
Let me get the milk with a cocoa puffs. Feeling kinda freaky, get the go-go cup. Oh shit, we're Inspector Gadget. I don't even know, but I bet done had it. Listen, from your life on what's missing.
Alright, so jumping straight into it, this is a 13x1 6-inch bob from Amazon. The brand is called YMS Girl Hair, and I am going to be completely transparent with y'all. I am 99.9% sure that they sent me a used wig, which is so frustrating because I feel like if you're going to be sending me a wig to review, at least double check the package. When I unboxed it, like the curls were like a little messed up, but I kind of just disregarded it. And then as soon as I washed that with my lovely Dawn dish detergent, the water was completely brown. Yeah, I washed that out 4 times until the water had ran clear. But anyway, moving on to styling, I use my wax stick around the hairline, and then I'm just going in with my hot comb and making sure everything is slicked back. I didn't do any plucking to the hairline, so I'll go ahead and section off 3 sections and do about 2 layers on each with my K2's Dream House glue, and then melting it with my Got2B Hairspray. I also used my Ruby Kiss cream foundation in shade 12. I used the darkest side.
So don't you fight it.
Bracelet match is a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block, cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. She want me to play with that cat, hey. She love how I make it on wet, hey. You know how sticky it get, hey. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Ay, from the cradle to the grave. Ay, Gordo got me on a wave. And got me on a wave. Couple of hits, now you're brave. Wait.
So because the wig is already pretty short, I'm only going to do really light layering. I'm cutting from the bottom and not from the top because it's already short. I don't want to take off any length from the top just in case I want to restyle it.
If I'm with two of them, then it's a threesome. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know it's a brief one. Back in the ocean, you know it's a deep one. Forgave niggas and they feelings. Lucky for y'all, we don't do civilians. You say I changed, I say that I'm millions. I did. The toughest act that follows back on tour. Off-road, Maybach, Pyrex, Trap, Virgil came back through the boy. Damn. That's something to me. Niggas really had their back turned to me. I ain't talking my assistant when I say niggas down to pack something for me. Then they thought they had a trap set for me. How you really think that went for me? Niggas gotta do a fact check for me.
When everything is put to, and everybody takes a, and everything gets a shoe.
So I'm taking a fresh razor and I am just going straight across the hairline, very slow, making sure it's detailed.
Something happened.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed.
After I'm done cutting, I'm just going to use the same foundation that I used to tint the lace, and I'm going to tint the hairline. And when I'm finished going all the way around, I'll use my Fantasia Spritz and lightly tap it onto the hairline. And then I'll also go back in with my Got2B Hairspray. And you'll see me kind of tapping my edge band around my head before I fully secure it. That way it's not super sticky once it's finished melting. So I'm going to do my normal baby hair routine. I do have a video that's a little bit more in depth, but I think this one might be a little bit clearer if you're a visual learner. I'm just taking a minimal amount of Got2B glue. And I'll also be taking my mini flat iron and curling my baby hairs.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me. And you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, yeah. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. No, I gotta come and check the home, man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers. And we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down. Goddamn,
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one virtual, got one in that day, it's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay.
And after I'm finished playing with my edges, that's pretty much all I did to style this wig. You will see me cut a little bit of the little bang piece just to make it a little bit better. But other than that, that's about it. So I'm going to let my outro do its thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, and before I go, I did leave in a clip of me getting an interview at Ulta. But yeah, I just want to put that in there. But yeah, okay, bye.
I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the seat, but there's no need.
Thank you for lunch. If you need assistance, can I help you?
Good afternoon. I was returning a call for about an interview.
What's your name? We're just calling to schedule an interview with you. Is there any time in the next few days that would be good for you? All right.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Tomorrow at 11. Let's go. Dang, 11 o'clock.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
I will not be wearing this for long because this is giving me a massive headache. Like I have to lift it all the way up because yeah, it's real tight. I guess since there's no lace and the band starts right here, it's just way too tight. I don't even have the straps hooked and it's tight. It's real tight. I'm over here like, why am I getting lightheaded? That's gonna be it. Let me see. But I probably said this in the voiceover, but if I didn't, this wig was disgusting. I washed it 3 times with Dawn dish detergent, so you know I was in there. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they sent me a used wig, which is annoying, but yeah, it's okay because I'm gonna put all of that in the review. YMS Girl on Amazon. I don't know if I'm gonna link it because I didn't have a good experience, so yeah. At least it came out cute. But I probably won't work with them again because I feel like, you know, if you're asking somebody to review something, at least double check the package. It's 6 inches, so I didn't take off a lot of length because it's already short. But yeah, it was what, $40, which is pretty good, but you know, I wish they double check before sending it off. That's frustrating. Good thing I always wash my wigs. Always wash your wigs, okay? Even if you're keeping it in for like 2 seconds, still just take the time to wash it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Let's do a quick subscriber count. And then today, Tuesday, we're at 524. I think, I want to say 520, 521. But yeah, other than that, I'm about to take this off. I don't know, I might take a little bit more pictures and then call it a night. But anyway, other than that, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Ain't with that nonsense or that lovey-dovey mess. Feeling kinda freaky, late night calling 'cause you got the best. Slip on Victoria's Secret.